Don't touch my hair when it's the feelings I wear.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be doing an overnight hot oil treatment, and I'll be using Mystical Blends Vanilla Dream hair and skin oil. And this oil promotes strong, soft, healthy, thick hair and rejuvenates hair and skin. And this is what it looks like. So right now we currently have a pot of water on the stove, and I'm going to put my oil, well, the bottle of oil in that pot so that it gets hot, and then I'm going to show you guys how I apply it to my hair. Okay, so I decided to put it in a cup so that I can come show you guys. I'm not sure if you can see the steam, but I'm just going to leave that in here for a bit, and then I am going to start applying it. While that is heating up, I'm just going to part my hair in 4 sections to make it easier to work with, and I'm going to have to take out these hairpins. And while I'm separating my hair into 4 sections, I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit about the Mystical Blends Vanilla Dream Hair and Skin Oil. I already told you that it promotes strong, soft, healthy, thick hair and rejuvenates your hair and skin. And this oil contains no parabens, no alcohol, or no GMOs, and it contains only all natural preservatives. And the ingredients are chamomile, sage, neem, catnip, nettle, hibiscus, black castor oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, and natural vanilla. Now that I've finished separating my hair, I'm going to spray my hair with some water just to re-moisturize it and make it easier to detangle. I'm going to finger detangle before I add the oil to make sure that the oil gets through all the strands. And you don't want your hair to be soaking wet, just damp to make it easier to detangle. Now I'm going to add the warm oil to my scalp as well as throughout the hair shaft, and I'm also going to give myself a scalp massage to remove all of the product buildup off my scalp, to lift the product buildup off my scalp. And every time I finish applying the oil, I would put it back into the cup of hot water to make sure that it stays warm. And I'm just going to continue detangling and spreading that throughout my hair. I'm going to be giving you guys a breakdown for this oil for both skin and hair. The chamomile helps with chickenpox, eczema, and it also adds shine to hair. The nettle is a natural antihistamine. It treats eczema and combats hair loss. Catnip soothes irritated skin, hives, and reduces split ends and softens. The tea tree oil fights dandruff and itchiness. It treats blisters and treats eczema. The castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which fights against folliculitis, and vitamin E, I hope that I pronounced that right, proteins, and omega-6 to improve thick hair growth. The coconut oil is an antibacterial, deep conditioner, and moisturizer. The olive oil, vitamin E and K, and it also has the omega-6 and 3 acids. The hibiscus is an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, and it also improves hair growth. And the neem is a skin softener. It fights lice and soothes skin ulcers. And lastly, the vanilla eliminates toxins and rejuvenates hair and skin. And after I've detangled my hair, I just twist it into a big twist, and I move on to the next section and just repeat the same process. And for those of you who are interested in purchasing this oil or any of the products from Mystical Blends, I'll be leaving their Instagram down below so you guys can check it out. Once I've finished my entire head, I just apply the oil to my scalp and areas where I believe need it, and then just give myself some more scalp massages to stimulate growth and to lift the product buildup. I then take the twists and tie them at the top of my head into a mini bun or high one or whatever, and then I put on my shower cap because I'll be keeping this in overnight. And in order to prevent the oil from leaking onto my pillow or my sheets or anything, I'm going to be putting this headband over to seal in everything. You can use a long sock or a piece of an old t-shirt or anything you guys want to tie, but I just decided to use this because I had it there and it seemed like it would work, and it did work. But that's just to seal in the oil. And what I'm showing you guys here is just the amount of shedding that I had. This is the shedded hair, and this is the following day. I removed the headband and the shower cap, and this is how my hair looks. It's very moisturized and soft, and this is after I washed it out. I only washed it with water so you guys could see how it looks after I rinsed out the oil. And these are my curls after. My hair was really soft and I could easily run my fingers through it without any tangles, which I'm showing you guys here. And after this clip, I washed my hair with shampoo and then I conditioned it. And that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys in my next one.